Communist Party of India has thanked the people of Manipur for standing against BJP in the recently concluded 18th Lok Sabha election. The verdict clearly indicated that people of Manipur are not in favor of BJP government in the state. Speaking to media persons at Irawat Bhavan complex, Secretary of National Council CPI and Manipur in charge Pallab Sen Gupta maintained that BJP lost its foothold in various states including Manipur in Lok Sabha election, which is a big signal that the party is losing its popularity among the people in this country. Communist Party of India, Manipur also conducted a meeting yesterday to discuss about the ongoing crisis in Manipur, while also expressing its commitment to resolve the issue through political dialogue.
On behalf of our party, we want to congratulate the people of Manipur to defeat the BJP in 2 Lok Sabha seats. I think this verdict was a huge response to the demands of the common people for the resignation of this government, because present Chief Minister lost his moral authority to continue as a Chief Minister of Manipur after this verdict. It is not we are demanding. Now you see, after the election result, Amit Shah, the Home Minister, newly elected Home Minister, also called a meeting to discuss the situation of Manipur and to findings the ways out. There he didn't invite the Chief Minister of Manipur. So it shows there is a trust deficit. That means even central government and central leadership of BJP are not happy with the present Chief Minister.